1996 GMC K1500 Z71 extended cab, 67,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive.
Z71 covered in mud, speed cup, long cut in the cons.
Absolutely killer 96 GMC Sierra K1500 extended cab, 67,000 mile truck. It's almost sacrilegious for me to say this because I am a Ford guy through and through, but the more and more that I drive these GM OBS products, the two-wheel drive, the four-wheel drive, the short beds, the extended cabs, the more that I really enjoy driving these trucks. I'm not sure there's something better in my inventory to hop in and drive every single day if you want to than these OBS pickups. These are just awesome trucks front to back. You can drive them every single day, and this is just an awesome example. This is, again, a 96 model. Let me verify so I don't tell you wrong. Yeah, this one's a 96. In 96, they had your Vortec 350. They're obviously fuel injected. They're rated at 255 horsepower and 330 foot-pounds of torque. So for your regular everyday driving, towing something small, a small camper, an RV, small boat, they can do all of that stuff. But if you want to drive one of these trucks every single day, they're just awesome for that. They're known to last forever. You see these trucks with 250, 300,000 miles plus all the time. So with 67,000 miles, it's a great low mileage example. You have all your standard equipment like the 4L60E overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, which blows nice and cold. The heat also works if you're driving this thing in the winter. Just an awesome truck. Again, this is something that I would personally drive every single day. I know that's hard to believe since I am such a Ford guy, but they just drive so well. The four-wheel drive system works great. There's just not a lot for me to complain about on this pickup. The interior is the factory maroon interior. You have your fold-down center console here, all of your plastics, the door panels, the headliner, the visors, all of your plastic material on the dash. It's all extremely nice, very clean. Carpet looks great. The floor mats look great. The back seat doesn't look like anyone's ever sat in it. Just a very nice truck cosmetically when it comes to the interior. You pop this out, your little cup holders, dual cup holders there, they open and close properly. The glove box opens and closes properly. This folds down without a hitch. Just, again, I can't really complain about the interior because it is so nice. The only disclaimers that I have on this truck is your flashers. When you push the flasher button, it does not do anything. And then the power lumbar for the driver's seat, it will move a little bit, but the lumbar is currently off. When you try to engage the lumbar, it's not really doing a whole lot. But the seat itself does work, goes up and down, and it will move forward and it will move back. It's just the lumbar is not working properly. Your gauges are all functioning. Your oil pressure gauge and your voltage gauge, which these are notorious, kind of fluctuate just a little bit on the dash. Right now, they're not moving. They're right where they need to be. All the gauges have come up to where they're supposed to be. It's just when you're driving, they kind of fluctuate just a little bit, and it's real notorious for this style of truck for that to happen. We're warmed up good. We're right about 190 degrees, right where we want to be sitting. So we'll test out the Vortec 350, see how it does. Factory exhaust sounds good. Don't really hear a lot of the exhaust, more motor. But for everyday driving, and you're on an OBS truck, it's got plenty of power to do whatever you want to do. If I needed to pass this guy right now, I have plenty of power. It'll downshift like it needs to. We can go around him. We're going the speed limit so we don't have to in this application. Some days I'm driving these vehicles and I got people out here doing a Sunday drive at 40 miles an hour and I got to go around them. But at least we're doing the speed limit today, which is good. Underneath, rock solid. Floors are great, frame's great, interrockers, cab corners, I see no problems of any kind. Inside the bed has a really nice spray-in bed liner. The bed floor is awesome. This truck does have the, what am I looking for here? There it is, the cab light. So usually you're not gonna see that on a half-ton truck, but I think it gives this one a unique look. It looks nice. They're in great shape. This is a Summit White K1500. Mostly original paint. Looks like the roof and then the tailgate have had some paint work, but it all is uniform. It all shows really well. The worst spot on it is on that passenger side door right above the molding. There's like a strip maybe about that long where it's just kind of been touched up, and then just a few other miscellaneous little imperfections and flaws kind of around the pickup. Tires are in good shape. The wheels are in good shape. You do have a little bit of haziness on the flat surfaces of the wheel. These trucks are very notorious for that. It's almost inevitable, even super low mileage ones, those wheels, they just get a little bit of haziness to them. You'll see photos of that in my additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. The Does It Work section, the Carfax, which is clean. All the photos of the imperfections all the way around the truck will be in that additional informations tab. Again, pcclassiccars.com, so make sure y'all check that out. But cosmetically, a very, very presentable truck. It shows very nice. I love this year because you do get the third door, so that passenger door will open, the third door will open, so it's a lot easier to get in and out of that back seat if you do have to shove some people back there or a dog or whatever you need. That third door does make it a lot more user-friendly. I've owned a bunch of these. Some of the earlier ones don't have that third door, so that changes it a little bit. But I like this here. They're great. I think I've probably said it 10 times, so y'all can make fun of me in the comments if you want to. It is a great truck if I haven't said it enough. Driving position is super comfortable. Seat feels great. You do have tilt, so you can get comfortable if you need to. You have cruise as well. All your standard options. Power windows, power locks, all that functions correctly. You have your parking brake release over there. You have your headlight indicator, your headlight switch over here to turn them all on and off. Factory stereo, which is cool. They haven't cut that out. Usually that's the first thing people do. I take it back. That's probably the second thing people do. The first thing they did is they cut the original exhaust off and put dual exhaust. So this one retaining the original exhaust is nice, but if you want to have it sound a little bit louder, you can put a true dual setup on it with some flow masters. Always sounds great on these. Yeah, drives really nice. Suspension feels good. This is a real Z71 truck, so you have the better suspension. It's got nice shocks on it. All of the suspension does appear to be factory. I don't see anything that's been changed or replaced. Has a great road feel to it. Doesn't bounce you around, doesn't pull you left, it doesn't pull you right, no squeaks, no rattles. It is a tight driving truck front to back. Odometer's rolling properly. And again, verified 67,049 miles as of right now in this video. And this guy's gonna try and run into us, so we'll go around him, playing chicken. When you pop the hood, very clean, very stock, nothing's out of place, no worries of any kind in there. Bottom side of the hood looks good. Firewalls, got no problems. It's all very sanitary. All the wiring looks good and unmessed with. Same thing with the wiring under the dash. I don't see anything that's cobbled up or has been messed with. It all looks factory. Just a joy to drive. It's very comfortable, easy to talk to if you have other people in the truck with you. You can load up some people in the back. I like the driving position. These seats are very comfortable with the center fold down here. Again, for a lack of a better term, just a comfortable pickup to drive every day if you wanted to. Glove box opens and closes properly. Let's actually take a look and see what we got in there. We got a owner's manual and a little booklet. Roll into the throttle one more time. Sounds good. Wipers are in good shape. Rear view mirror looks good. Side windows are easy to see out of. And that's one thing I didn't touch on. All the glass on the pickup shows very nice. Back glass is easy to see out of. The windshield has a little bit of delamination happening over on that side. And then a couple other little small stone chips, but it still is in very nice condition. I'm Mike. This is a 1996 GMC K1500 Z71 with 67,000 miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another test drive. Make sure you check out that additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. And I hope you have a great rest of y'all's day.
Z71 covered in mud, speed cup, long cut in the